VMware has been thinking about the industry's ability to execute cryptographic transition and to respond to changes. Are we ready for change when it's needed? How can we better enable it in our products and architectures as a community? We call this capability for change cryptographic agility. Many people will be familiar with the transitions that you see in this diagram. The lesson is that crypto algorithms and standards have a life cycle. As compute capabilities gradually advance, algorithms become weaker over time and need replacement. A big example of this is what is happening in the world of quantum computing. NIST has been working on standardizing new crypto algorithms that will be safe against quantum computing attacks. They call the new algorithms post-quantum cryptography. PQC will be a big transition across the entire industry since public key crypto is used everywhere throughout the world's compute infrastructure. But again, are we ready for transition? The industry practice of hard coding implementations into systems and applications is deeply entrenched. Another problem is that today's crypto approaches serve only developers and don't consider the enterprise customers who may have compliance needs. The crypto agility we envision will offer IT InfoSec teams more control over crypto configuration and the ability to switch between standards and libraries. We'd like to show you a demo of an architectural framework VMware is pioneering, not just for VMware's products, but all developers on our platform. Let me turn it over to Sean Huntley, one of the lead engineers working on the effort.
Thanks, David. We've been trialing parts of this framework with VMware's Unified Access Gateway. The UAG is a specialized authenticating reverse proxy that supports Horizon and Workspace ONE. Under the hood, you can see that the UAG is a complicated beast, and like all enterprise software, is gained more complexity as time has gone on. This makes these cryptography transitions that David mentioned even more challenging. With the addition of our crypto agility solution, I'd like to show you all how a simple configuration change can enable post-quantum cryptography at deploy time. Here you'll see me add this configuration option that enables post-quantum cryptography to the UAG's configuration file. Now I'll deploy this particular instance of the UAG via PowerShell. Following this deployment, we'll go over to the browser to see if we can get a quantum safe connection. But taking a look, we see this error, SSL error, no cipher overlap. Looks like the ciphers don't match. It's because the previous Firefox client wasn't enabled for post-quantum ciphers, but this modified Chromium client is enabled for them. We can dive into the certificate details here and see that we have an OQS HA proxy certificate. OQS, or Open Quantum Safe, is the open source library that implements these algorithms. You've just seen how our crypto agility solution can enable the UAG to take a quantum safe connection and proxy it to a standard TLS connection. How awesome is that?